Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Porsche 911 headlights. This process is surprisingly straightforward, often taking only a few minutes. First, you'll need to find your Porsche's special headlight removal tool. It's usually stored in the emergency toolkit, which is conveniently located in the front luggage compartment, or frunk, of your vehicle. This unique tool is key to the entire process. Once you have your special tool, open the front luggage compartment. Look for a small rubber cover situated near the headlight assembly you wish to remove. Gently fold this cover down to reveal the access port. This port is where you will insert the tool to engage the internal clamping mechanism that secures the headlight in place. Now, take your headlight removal tool and insert its square end into the access port. You will feel it engage with the internal mechanism. Turn the tool about 180 degrees or a half turn towards the rear of the vehicle. As you turn, the headlight assembly will begin to push itself out of its housing, stopping when it is partially dislodged. With the headlight unit partially dislodged, you can now gently pull it completely forward and out of the fender. Be mindful that it will still be connected by an electrical harness. Carefully disconnect this electrical connector, often by twisting a tab or pressing a release. Once unplugged, you can safely set the headlight assembly aside on a soft, clean surface. Installation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.